In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Shopify password. Whether you've simply forgotten it or need a fresh start for security reasons, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be back into your Shopify account with a new password in no time. Let's begin by navigating to the Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser and type in shopify.com. Once there, log in to your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. If you find yourself already logged in, great. If not, don't worry, because in just a moment, we'll address what to do if you can't remember your password. If you're staring at the login screen and that nagging feeling that you can't quite recall your password is kicking in, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This option is conveniently located right below the password entry field. Click it and you'll be guided to the next step of resetting your password. Now, you'll need to provide the email address linked to your Shopify account. It's crucial to enter the correct email here so that the reset instructions can reach you. It's the one you used when setting up your Shopify store. Once entered, hit the send button, and then it's time to check your email inbox. Head over to your email account. You should find an email from Shopify containing a link to reset your password. If it's not in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it got filtered incorrectly. When you find the email, open it up and click on the link provided. This will take you to a secure page where you can set your new password. On this page, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it's something memorable but also secure. A good practice is to combine letters, numbers, and symbols, ensuring it's not something easily guessable. Once you've chosen a strong password, you'll need to enter it again to confirm it. This double entry ensures there's no mistake in what you're typing, providing an extra layer of security. With your new password set and confirmed, you can now return to the Shopify login page. Enter your registered email and the newly created password to access your account. And just like that, you're back in business. Remember, keeping your password secure is essential to protecting your store and personal information. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your online security. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.